Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. In the last video, we have shown you how we can extract the data from Excel workbook. And now we will show you how we can transform this data into appropriate format. For example, if you look at this date, it is showing you as a date, but actually it is not stored as date. You have to convert it by going to the data type option and select the date type. And now you can see the one calendar icon has been shown here beside the date column. At first, it was not like this. So in future, in the Excel workbook, when you use the date slicers, then you can easily select each and every month or multiple month to show the type of expense it has occurred in that particular month. So, and different kinds of thing you can achieve by converting this date into actually a date, not just any text or anything. If you do not convert it as a date, it will generate in the Excel workbook as a number or text, not as actual date. So we will change everything from normal range to its appropriate type. For example, these are all the text type. So I'll select the text. The vendor name also should be a text type. And for the amount, you can either choose the decimal number if you want the decimal number after the whole amount, or you can change it to the whole number if you do want to have a round figure. Uh, and everything I will change it to the text. And as you can see, one green line showing in under every header name of the column. What does it mean? It means that the quality of the column, whether the valid number, error, empty number, or any problematic number have or not in your column. Basically, these three valid. I have 97% of the data as valid. There is no error cell in this column, but there are 3% of the cell in this column that is empty. In the amount, I do not want this with empty cell. I will convert it with the replace value by going to the home tab and selecting the replace value. I will change all the null cell with 0. See, there is no empty cell right now. At first, it used to have a, let me show you again. At first, it used to have a null cell in this column. In this amount column, it is good to convert all your null cells with zeros. So again, I'm showing you, you can also do this by going to the transform date tab and select this replace value and type null, because we want to replace the cells that has null in it and convert it to 0. Also, we will do the same on the text column. So every column is 100% valid data. So let me remove this. So if you look at this, we have branch name. Bogura, Dinaspur, Gazipur, these are all the area name of Bangladesh and some name of the zone. Basically, we have North Zone and Dhaka Zone. Expense category, compliance, maintenance, office travel, utilities, and expense head. Oh, so many. We have also some plumbing, printing, lowercase, uppercase, something like this. And we will fix it. How we can fix it? As you can see that we have electrical repair as a uppercase and electrical repair as a lowercase. But we both are same, right? Both are same expense head. So we need to change it in a single expense head. So basically we'll select this column and go to the home tab and uh, sorry, in the transform tab, we'll select the format option. As you can see, it shows lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, trim, clean, add prefix, suffix, like this. So what we'll do, we'll use these options that capitalize each word. Now you can see the electrical repair has been uh, changed with only one name. Electrical repair, electricity, fuel, generator fuel, government fee, internet license, local convenience, office repair, plumbing, printing. As for the vendor code, there are so many vendor code. The name of the vendors also. But before that, let us see if any of the column have any blank space or not. By using this trim and clean option, you can remove all the unwanted space in between the words of each cell of these selected columns. Also, I want to do this for the vendor name. Trim, clean. Trim, clean. So there is no any unwanted blank space before or after the word. Right now we have all the data available to close and load. As you can see in this sheet from January to June, all the data we have are in here. So I already generated this data into this workbook. That's why I couldn't show you one step that you might have when you done this close and load. So let me do this again for you. Let me remove this, save this, and go to the query. If we close and load, it would show something like this: import data. Then you can select any of the option: table, pivot table, report, pivot chart, or create connection only. Let me show you with the table option. You can select a new worksheet or the existing worksheet also. I'm selecting table and existing worksheet. Click OK and it will show you the report like this. So basically what happened? The thing is, whatever data we have in this Excel workbook, all have been combined and stored in one single sheet, January to June, every month. And if you change anything from here or from here, or add some new data in here, or add any other worksheet with different data, it will add there as well. Let me do one for you. Change the date into, let's say, 7/26. So now we have data for July also, and let's see if it has generated the data or not. Right now we have 360 rows loaded here for only January to June, and if we select this refresh option, let me save this at first. Yes. It has added the empty rows that I took to show you. Also, it has taken the data from July and August. August, why? Because when I selected or took the month. I think it also had some month as August. Let me check. Yes. After the 31st July, it started from 1st August, 2nd to 29th August in this July sheet. So if we do not want or remove this data like this, and also I do not want to have this as well, and save the data, close it, and click the refresh button. You see everything changed automatically, and we have only from January to July. Basically what it gives you the freedom to change anything, add anything, and do whatever change you need. And after that, what you need to do, you just need to select this refresh button, and it will complete your repetitive task within just one click. So that's all for the type of how we can work with the Excel workbook option. Basically I have shown you this feature of from Excel workbook option. In the next video, I'll show you what kind of thing we can do by selecting this from folder option.